This is what I needed all this time. I was experimenting with the RGB mixer, trying to figure out how to finally update my Simple Mix DCTL. The old version isn't really relevant anymore after DaVinci added normalization into their RGB mixer, plus it was too inconvenient to use. So after tinkering with color bars, I found a result I liked the most. Then I took a pause and realized a few things. There's no intuitive way to recreate this adjustment with precision for any hue angle. It's time consuming if you don't know exact values. There's no built-in tool to recreate it. You could use the chroma warper, it's intuitive, but there's no convenience and no precision due to manual work. And the color compressor sounds like this is it, but actually not at all either. So with the help of linear algebra I made it. 38 mixer-related parameters from the previous version replaced with only two sliders, squeeze and axis. Using squeeze, we push colors the shortest way toward the axis line. Under the hood, it's basically an RGB mixer with normalized values. To extend functionality and be a logical successor, I added offset parameters, shadows, mids, highlights and global, which shift colors along the axis based on source luminance, and the orthogonal slider shifts all colors perpendicular to the axis. Since squeezing and offsets can drastically change skin tones, I added a skin tone recovery slider. It blends skin tones from the source image over the squeezed and offset result. It uses a slightly wider hue range for masking than the color slice tool. You can see the mask using the dedicated checkbox. Again, to be a successor, I included my open source non-destructive saturation functionality with 7 different saturation logics, described in more detail in a previous video. The regular saturation slider is non-destructive. There's also saturation boost, which affects muted colors more than vivid ones. Boost works using the same selected logic, but may produce artifacts if the source image has values outside the 0 to 1 range, unfortunately. The Monochrome checkbox has been updated with 4 different grayscale calculation types. Squeezing and offset don't affect the BT709 black and white look, because those adjustments preserve luminance. And of course, it has UI tooltips. If you forget what any parameter does, just hover. A reminder is always there. Simple Mix is a creative tool. It's color space unaware and works in the display referred space. Try the watermarked demo version on A-scripts using the link in the description. Please tell me what you think in the comments, hit like and subscribe. Thanks!